My name is Bobby Crawford and I go to Aldergrove Community Secondary School. I've been drawing since I was very young and I've always enjoyed it.
My name's Justin Flint. I'm a grade 12 student at Aldergrove Secondary School.
My name is Nguyen Nguyen Khai. I'm an international student from Vietnam. This is my first year participating in the high school curriculum in Canada. And this mural art project is also my first ever volunteer activity in Canada.
I enjoyed working with everyone and seeing how to incorporate others' opinions can make a beautiful masterpiece.
I really enjoyed working with other people and incorporating all of our ideas into one big piece. I really enjoyed drawing on a big scale because I've never really drawn like that before.
And I'm excited to see that it will become one of the Aldergrove iconic picture